Experience ultimate comfort and protection with To Remove Tampons, designed for regular menstrual flow with super absorption. Feel confident to swim, bathe, play sports, or hit the gym without worries of leakage or odor. Stay rash-free with these soft and comfortable tampons that are a perfect fit, making you feel like you're wearing nothing at all. Convenient and easy to use, carry, and dispose of, these tampons are your go-to product for hassle-free periods. Dermatologically certified and FDA approved, these non-applicator tampons are safe for your body and the environment. Trust in the super absorption capacity of To Remove Tampons for stain-free periods and a worry-free experience.